Welcome to Practical Digital Strategies. I'm Guy Cook, and if you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, a blogger, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So today I would like to have you discover the best tools to identify and understand your target audience. That mouthful will take you to the Google document up there, and it's under the theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. You can find this document and the links therein. But basically, we're talking about knowing your target audience and the tools that are available online to get that job done. It's very, very important these days to know your target audience so you're not just aiming at the flock, but rather individual ducks therein. Okay? Going back to my duck hunting days. And so, get a look at that. Discover the best tools that are available, links to resources that are available online, and then scroll down to the bottom of that Google document, and there's a yellow button in there that you can buy me a coffee. So wouldn't that be nice? If you found this useful, you got a pearl in this oyster, and spend $1 on a coffee. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.